Alright, welcome back. We are going to do some crank no start testing with this Carscope eye tester from Ditex. First thing we're going to do is a relative compression test. So we're going to click on the compression, and I don't know how well you can see that. Let's see if we can. There you go. We're going to do voltage, unsynced, 8 cylinders because it's a V8 Duramax diesel, the Zuzu. And then we're going to hit start. Go ahead and crank it. Alright, that's good. Now it's going to analyze that and give us our relative compression across all 8 cylinders, which looks really good. And we have an option to save it to a file as a text, a bitmap, or the IRC file is independent to this, so you can view that on there. And then we can go ahead and go back. Go ahead and shut the key all the way off. And now we're back probed at our fuel rail pressure sensor way down there. We're going to just verify that we have fuel rail pressure before we go any further. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure we don't have voltage right now. And then we're going to go up to our pressure sensor test. That's a Bosch sensor at 150 megapascals. Go ahead and turn the key on. It's going to do a key on engine off test. Oh, it says the voltage is too high. Damn it. Go ahead and cycle the key off. Okay, go ahead and cycle the key on. Alright, so it passed that time. Now we're going to press OK and we're going to crank and see if the engine will start. Go ahead and crank it. And you can see our battery voltage drops low, but we are getting over 30 megapascals, which this should start at that rate. So that's enough to tell us that. Go ahead and crank it again. See, we're at over 40, so that should be more than enough for this to start and run. But so that what that tells me is the fuel rail has enough pressure to start and run, but we must not have injector control. So that's where we're going to go next. So, you know, in less than 5 minutes, let's say 10 with the amount of time it took to back probe that and hook this up, but realistically not very much time. We're able to verify mechanical condition of the engine and verify that we are building rail pressure. So we know we don't have a fuel feed problem, and we know we don't have a compression problem. We can move on to a control issue. So anyway, I just want to show off this tool. It's kind of neat, quick and easy to use. You can hand it to an apprentice and send them out and have them do a couple of quick, easy tests just to get you a little bit ahead of the game while you're trying to figure out what's going on with some of these vehicles. So thanks for watching.